Question number 2. Complete the entries in the third column of the table. Don't worry, we will give the solution. Serial number, equation, value of the variable. We have to tell equation satisfied yes or no. 10y is equals to 80. If the value of variable y is equals to 10, the equation will be satisfied? No. If y is equals to 8, the equation will be satisfied. For 10y is equals to 80, y is equals to 5, the value of the variable, the equation will not be satisfied. 4l is equals to 20. If l is equals to 20, the equation will not be satisfied. 4l is equals to 20. If l is equals to 80, the equation will not be satisfied. 4l is equals to 20. If l is equals to 5, the equation will be satisfied because 4 cancelled here in 5 times. Therefore, l is equals to 5. b plus 5 is equals to 9, and if b is equals to 5, the equation will not be satisfied. The left hand side of the equation should equal to the right hand side, then only the equation will be satisfied. b plus 5 is equals to 9. If b is equals to 9, the equation will not be satisfied. In b plus 5 is equals to 9, if b is equals to 4, the equation will be satisfied. That means LHS is equals to RHS. H minus 8 is equals to 5 and H is equals to 13. Yes, it is satisfied because LHS is equals to RHS. In the equation H minus 8 is equals to 5, H is equals to 8. Equation will not be satisfied. H minus 8 is equals to 5 if H is equals to 0. No, the equation will not be satisfied. P plus 3 is equals to 1. If P is equals to 3, the equation will not be satisfied. In P plus 3 is equals to 1. If P is equals to 1, the equation will not be satisfied. Again, for P plus 3 is equals to 1, if P is equals to 0, the equation will not be satisfied. If P plus 3 is equals to 1, if P is equals to minus 1, the equation will not be satisfied. Question number 3. Pick out the solution from the values given in the bracket next to each equation. Show that the other values do not satisfy the equation. Question A. 5m is equals to 60. For m is equals to 10, 5 into 10 is equals to 50, but RHS is equals to 60. Here LHS is not equal to RHS. We will check with, therefore m is equals to 10 is not the solution of the equation. Next, we will check with the next value, m is equals to 5. LHS is equals to 5m, that is 5 into 5, which is equals to 25, but RHS is equals to 60. Here LHS is not equals to RHS. Therefore, m is equals to 5 is not the solution of the equation. Next, we will take 12. For m is equals to 12, LHS is equals to 5 into 12, 5m is equals to 60, in which RHS is equals to 60. Therefore, LHS is equals to RHS. That means m is equal to 12 is the solution of the equation. For m is equals to 15, LHS we can write it as 5m, 5 into 15, this is equals to 75. But RHS is equals to 60. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, m is equal to 15 is not the solution of the equation. Question B. N plus 12 is equals to 20. We have to check with all the values included in the bracket. For n is equals to 12, LHS is equals to 12 plus 12, this is 24, but RHS is equals to 20. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, n is equals to 12 is not the solution of the equation. Next, we will go with 8. For n is equals to 8. 8 plus 12 LHS is equals to 20, in which RHS is also equals to 20. Here LHS is equals to RHS. Therefore, n is equal to 8 is the solution of the equation. Next we are going to take the value n is equals to 20. For n is equals to 20, LHS is equals to n plus 12, that means 20 plus 12, that is equals to 32. But RHS is equal to 20. Here LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, n is equals to 20 is not the solution of the equation. And for the final value, for n is equals to 0, LHS is equals to 0 plus 12. Okay, but RHS is equals to 20. Here LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, n is equals to 0 is not the solution of the equation. Next question. P minus 5 is equals to 5. In the brackets we have the values 0, 10, 5 minus 5. First, for P is equals to 0, LHS is equals to 0 minus 5, which is equals to minus 5. But RHS is equals to 5. So, here LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, P is equals to 0 is not the solution of the equation. Next, for P is equals to 10, LHS is equals to 10 minus 5, that is equals to 5. Here RHS is also equals to 5. Here LHS is equals to RHS. Therefore, P is equals to 10 is the solution of the equation. Next one, for P is equals to 5. LHS is equals to 5 minus 5, which is equals to 0. But RHS is equals to 5. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, P is equals to 5 is not the solution of the equation. And next value for P is equals to 5, LHS is equals to 5 minus 5, which is equals to 0. But RHS is equals to 5. Here LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, P is equals to minus 5 is not the solution of the equation. Question D. Q by 2 is equals to 7. We have to check with the values 7, 2, 10, 14. For Q is equals to 7, LHS is equals to 7 by 2, whereas RHS is equal to 7. Here LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, Q is equals to 7 is not the solution of the equation. Next value, for Q is equals to 2, LHS is equals to 2 by 2, which is equals to 1. But RHS is equals to 7. Here LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, Q is equals to 2 is not the solution of the equation. For next value, for Q is equals to 10, LHS is equals to 10 by 2, which is equals to 5. RHS is equals to 7. Here LHS is not equal to RHS. Next, for Q is equals to 14, LHS is equals to 14 by 2, which is equals to 7. Therefore, but RHS is equals to 7. Therefore, LHS is equals to RHS. So, Q is equals to 14 is the solution of the equation. Question E. R minus 4 is equals to 0. We have to check for the values which were given in the brackets. For R is equals to 4, LHS is equals to 4 minus 4, this is equals to 0, and RHS is equal to 0. Here LHS is equals to RHS. Therefore, R is equals to 4 is the solution of the equation. Next we will check it out for R is equals to minus 4. If you can put the value minus 4 in the place of R, L is minus 4 is equals to minus 8, RHS is equals to 0. Here LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, R is equals to minus 4 is not the solution of the equation. Next value for R is equals to 8, LHS is equals to 8 minus 4. This is equals to 4, but RHS is equals to 0. That means LHS is not equal to RHS. For R is equals to 8 is not the solution of the equation. Next one, for r is equals to 0, LHS is equals to 0 minus 4. This is equals to 0. But RHS is equals to 0. Okay. Here LHS is equals to is not equal to RHS. If you can observe. Therefore, R is equals to 0 is not the solution of the equation. Next question, x plus 4 is equals to 2. We have to check with the values of -2, 0, 2 and 4. For x is equals to -2, for the first value, LHS is equals to -2 plus 4. The result is 2. RHS is also equals to 2. Here LHS is equals to RHS. Therefore, x is equals to -2 is the solution of the equation. Next value, for x is equals to 0, LHS is equals to 0 plus 4, okay, plus 4. So the result is 8, but RHS is equals to 2. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, x is equals to 0 is not the solution of the equation. Next value, for x is equals to -2, LHS is equals to -2 plus 4. Okay, but RHS is equals to 2. Here LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, x is equals to 2 is not the solution of the equation. Next value, for r is equals to 4. LHS is equals to 4 plus 4, which is equals to 8. But RHS is equal to 2. Here LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, x is equals to 4 is not the solution of the equation. Next question. Complete the table and by inspection of the table find the solution to the equation m plus 10 is equals to 16. See the values of m 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. and m plus 10 we have to check for the value of 16. So by inspections we have, see here, we have put the value of m is equals to 1 here. So m plus 10, 1 plus 10, 11. For 2, it is 2 plus 10, 12. For 3, it is 3 plus 10, 13. For the value of 4, 4 plus 10, 14. For the value of 5, 5 plus 10, it is 15. But for the value of 6, m plus 10, that is 6 plus 10 is 16. Okay. So here we have got m plus 10 is equal to 16. And again we will further go 7, m plus 10, that is 17. For 8, 10 plus 8, it is 18. For 9, 9 plus 10, it is 19. And finally for 10, 10 plus 10 is equals to 20. Okay. Question B. Complete the table and by inspection of the table find the solution to the equation 5t is equals to 35. Given that 5t is equals to 35. Okay. So t value here it was given 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. And 5t we have to check the value. 5t, if you can put the value of 3 in place of t, 5 into 3 is equals to 15. If we have placed 4, 5 into 4 is equals to 20. If we have placed 5 in terms of t, 5 into 5 is equals to 25. If we have placed 6, 5 into 6 is equals to 30. But if we have placed 7, 5 into 7 is equals to 35. So t is equals to 7 is the solution of the equation. Question C. Complete the table and find the solution of the equation z by 3 is equals to 4 using the table. See here, z is equals to 8, 9, 10, 11, etc. Okay. Here, so z by 3. Here we have z value as 8. So z by 3 is 8 by 3. Okay. Next 9. 9 by 3 is equals to 3. 10. 10 by 3. 11. 11 by 3. For 12, it is 12 by 3, which is equals to 4. So, z is equals to 12 is the solution of the equation, because z by 3 is equals to 4, for which the value 12 by 3 is equals to 4. Next, complete the table and find the solution to the equation m minus 7 is equals to 3. Given that m values are 5, 6, 7, etc., and here m minus 7. In the place of m, we have to put the values of 5, 6, etc. to get this equation. We will see. 5 minus 7, we are placing the value of 5 in the place of m minus 7 in the place of m. 5 minus 7 is equals to minus 2. 6 minus 7 minus 1. 7 if you can put, it is 7 minus 7, 0. 8 if you can put, 8 minus 7 is equals to 1. If you can put 9, 9 minus 7, this is equals to 2. If you can put 10, 10 minus 7 is equals to 3. So m minus 7 is equals to 3. Here the value of m is 10. So m is equals to 10 is the solution of the equation. With this, we have completed the exercise as well as this chapter. Thank you.